Being a good finish carpenter is doing good, clean work. Not backtracking, not doing Mickey Mouse stuff. As you can see, you see the consistency where everything is straight plane. Even though it's in a vaulted pitch, it's straight plane. Everything is, I could run a level across it and it's straight plane. I don't have no humps and bumps inside the ceiling. When you have humps and bumps with this material, you will see it. You will see all the detail of all the humps and bumps. We did all the doors, all the vaulted ceilings, a lot of straight edging, a lot of planing, a lot of furring down to make everything look consistent and on the money.